Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we're here at the East Quarter Residences. The East Quarter Residences in Dallas, Texas. So this is the outside. We just took a look inside at the resident lounge, and there's also just great places to co-work from there. Very popular. There's already, I think, 3 or 4 people in there. And then these is pretty incredible outside. So you've got 4 separated grilling stations. I like how they're very, very nicely separated. I really never see something like this. Very nicely separated. And then you got this huge area over here of just places to relax. And so that's very, very cool. Also, of course, we do have a pool area. By the way, look at this. So this is some private patios that are here. It's pretty spectacular. And then let's walk into the pool. So the pool is here. We're going to see the pool right now. And this is what the pool looks like. Pretty amazing pool. Wow, great pool. Look at this. Talk about views of the city. This is pretty phenomenal. I mean, look at this pool. Wow. Okay, that's pretty special. We're going to go get some more views in another video right over there, but you can see how pretty this is. One of the best pools I've ever seen. The city is just right in the background. It's almost like a photo. I mean, it's that gorgeous. So look at this pool. It's really pretty. It's probably, I'd say it's about 60 feet. So it's a nice pool. And then you've got great spots here that are cabanas, little private cabanas. 1, 2, 3, 4, looks like 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cabanas. One of the prettiest pools I've ever seen, literally. Hey, if you have any questions about anything you're seeing here, send me a text. Just use the number below. And if you'd like to set up a tour, a virtual tour is what I'd recommend, a live virtual tour. We can also do in-person tours as well. Send me a text. It's all free as a part of our free service.